Hey y'all, wanted to give you a quick heads up and a little review on this new mower I got I was telling you about. This is that Toro, and I want to show you a few things that I really like about it. Just started mowing the front out here, getting ready to put on a special application, and the old mower is here, and what I want to do is show you a couple things about it that really make it nice. Okay, so here we are. What we got going here that I like the best is this thing really starts, and I mean it starts easy, and I have no issues with it starting ever. Just a one pole deal. So I love that. The other thing that's just fantastic is that what happens with this is you can mulch by just simply pulling this lever right here, this little blue guy, okay, up. Now it's in mulch position right now, and then back down for cut. And hope you could see that okay. I'm kind of turning the camera around a bit here, but anyway, so when you're doing this, what you got is the ability to control this thing really well. So I have you lift, you pull her off. It's easy to get in there, to clean out. Look how fine it cuts everything. Does a great job of cutting in the bag. Easy to clean up, because probably the number one feature I like the best on this is I'm going to show you right now. Flip that lever, pull it forward. Now she's pulled forward like that, and it's sitting here just like this, okay? So what happens here is I got it in a position where I'm able to take it, get a hold of the front of it, and pull her right up in the air. I didn't lock that in, or it would have stayed in, but you lock that handle down. You see how it's accumulated a little bit here? Well, I can change that easily by every time that I mow. I can go right in here. I can wash all this out. It sprays out quick because I use that silicone on it I was telling you about. And then when I need to sharpen the blades, I can tell. So, and it stores standing up. This handle, of course, if I lock the little blue tabs I was showing you, it'd be locked in the up position. And there we go. It's put away. I can clean every bit of this out. So every time I go to do a mow, I end up with a beautiful, beautiful clean cut that allows me to do the mow just the way I want to. And as you can see, it does a beautiful cut. That's unmown. There's mowed. I usually don't let it get over 1.5 inches before I mow it. So right now I'm mowing about every 2 to 3 days, depending on weather. And the grass is starting to look beautiful. It'll get dark green as soon as I make my spray, which I'm going to do here shortly. And when you come out and look at what's happened, I already gave it a double dose out front. And so when I go out here and we do a look-see, I'm going to show you my parking out here, because the parking got a double dose last time as a test to see how much it would take and what it would do for it. And take a look at the parking. Look at the green in that. Dark, dark, dark green. Look at that growth. And this is all brand new grass. This is its first year. This is the first winter that this grass has actually been alive. I mean, it was a seed. It started with a seed. Of course, I prepped the ground right. I can tell you how to do that. And then this was sod that got decimated, and I'm going to show you some before and after pictures down the road here. Stay tuned, watch my tips, and you'll find out how to make it green. Remember, this is Gary, loving the green. We'll catch you later. You have a great day, and Be sure, oh, by the way, hey, hit that subscribe button right down there and the notice button, and I'll keep sending you tips, and you too can have the lawn that's the envy, and you can dominate in your neighborhood, buddy.